4 months, no face, no camera, just Japanese discipline. And this creator is making more than $10,000 a month. Guys, when I scrolled down this guy's page and I was like, wow, 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 who says Faceless channel cannot make you money? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the exact steps this guy is using to pull up so much crowd and to get people subscribing to his page. And not only that, how he comes about with his videos and how you can also start creating a faceless YouTube channel today using his exact method, using his exact fingerprint. And guys, I'm going to be showing you proof of this channel. This channel started 4 months ago. I'm going to be showing you on the screen so that you can see. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be laying out everything this guy is doing. I mean, this guy started 4 months ago and he's making over 10,000K. His last video got 1.4 million views. I mean, he talks about mental strength. I'm his follower. I will not lie about that. I really love his videos. If you're watching this video right now, if you want to build your mental capacity or you want to build your mental strength, I'll advise you to follow his channel. I mean, he's doing a great job. And if you want to learn exactly what he's doing, then stay tuned, watch this video to the end. Now, before we get into the video, let's hop over to his channel and you'll see when he started and how he has grown up to this stage. And from there, we'll get a social proof to show how much this channel is making per month. And then from there, I will be showing you the tutorial on how to get this started immediately. Guys, we can't be sleeping on cash. We are sleeping on cash. I mean, guys, we are sleeping on cash. And the truth is, I admire his channel so much and I'm like, wow, why can't we create something like this? And today, I'll be teaching my followers how to do that. So let me bring his channel right in. So guys, to get started, we are going to do a rundown on this guy's channel, okay? So I'm going to head over to YouTube and let's scroll his channel and you see what's going on there, all right? Now, his channel is this channel, Presence and Path. As you can see, he has over 104K subscribers and he has just 49 videos. And if you scroll down, you'll see that he started shooting his videos or he started posting on YouTube 4 months ago. 4 months ago, he started this channel and he started posting on YouTube 4 months ago. 4 months ago has given him this amount of subscribers and has given him this amount of views. This video I'll be working with today is his recent video, and by the time I'm shooting this video has 1.4 million views, which means, I don't know, in the days ahead, the views keeps increasing. So we'll be looking at this particular video. Right now, what we'll do is we'll first take his channel to Social Blade, all right? Social Blade is a platform that analyzes all channels, no matter who you are. Once you're on YouTube, you can input your YouTube name or URL, and this Social Blade is going to analyze your entire channel and tell you how much you can make from your channel. That is what we are going to be doing with this channel. We are just going to take it to Social Blade and we analyze it, and you see the amount of money he can be making per month or the amount of money he can be making per video, all right? Let's hop over to Social Blade and we see the analytics, all right? So right here, you go over to Google and on Google, you click Social Blade. Once it opens, you hit the first one. And once you get into Social Blade, the first thing you have to do is to get the person's channel in mind or the person's channel name, whatsoever, username. Once you get the YouTube name, you input on Social Blade and Social Blade is going to search the channel for you. Once it searches the channel, it's going to tell you the exact channel name. And once it brings it forth, like it has brought this one forth, you can see, you click now on this channel, this particular channel, you have to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you the entire data of this channel, like I have done. Now you can see its data. As you can see here from the data written here, in the last 30 days, this guy had 89K subs and he also had 2.5 million views in a video. That's in 1 month, all right? That's in the last 30 days, guys. That's just in the last 30 days. And here, his monthly estimated income or his monthly estimated earnings, let me just call it earnings as it is written here. He is approximately making $625 to $10K per month. And now, yearly estimated earnings, he can be making $692K to $11K. This is the figure as you can see it here right on the screen. That is what he is actually making per month and then per year in case he keeps creating videos, right? Now, let me show you exactly how we can achieve this too and how you can start creating your own YouTube channel right now as I'm talking to you. And please, after this video, go to your house, take a paper and a pen and start scripting, start writing the niche you're interested in, niche you know is going to pay you that money, and I've already told you in this video. So guys, before we go into the tutorial of this video, I would like to state these facts, because teaching you something and telling you how to do it and even making you do it are three different things. Now, let's explain first why this channel is blowing up and why people are liking and subscribing this channel. First, let's talk about his niche. This guy focuses on Japanese mental training, topics like Kashin, Bushido mindset. I mean, if I even pronounced it very well. Yes, that's what he focuses on. And discipline through repetition and the act of consistency. These aren't just motivational ideas. These are philosophies that tap into identity transformation. And this is the reason why this guy is blowing up. And you know, in today's society, especially the society we are in, I don't know whether we call it the Gen Zs or the Zs or whatsoever generation we are in. Now, we need to train our minds so well in order to survive now. So mental training is a big deal right now. Training your mind the right way will help you push ahead in life. And everybody in this generation is trying to figure it out. Everybody in this generation is trying to push ahead. So he's really gaining traction. He's really gaining a lot of views. Not only that, let's give him a round of applause, because he's actually assessing Japanese ancient traditions, Japanese ancient philosophies. And the truth is, most of Asians, they adhere to these traditions and philosophies. So that is why he is actually blowing up. With this, you should know that even after teaching you everything I'm going to teach you today, you have to apply your own mindset. You have to apply your own thing, your own unique identity to make your channel blow. His content doesn't just motivate, it reprograms. And that's why I'm also his fan. And he's not just teaching quick tips. He's teaching people how to think differently. And that's the goal. That's why I keep insisting on this point, so that you know what to do after this video. When your content involves changing how people think, or helping people think better, or helping people in general, then you will never run out of ideas. So when you're picking a niche for this Faceless YouTube channel, try to pick a niche that you know you can handle, that you know you will never run out of ideas. So I'm just going to be showing you step by step how to create this one. And then later you can sit back, think of the niche, think of what you can do, think of the ideas you can come up with, and start creating something powerful as this. Let's hop over to how you can make this kind of video, the exact process, step by step on how you can get this done. First thing you have to do is to look for that channel you actually like, that niche you actually like, the person who is succeeding in that niche. Go to YouTube and look for that person. Once you get that person that you will like his niche, or you like doing that same niche, and you see that he's a guru or he's a role model in that niche, you go to his channel and then you copy his channel URL. Once you copy that channel URL, you hop over to Google, you open YouTube summary. Now let's hop over to Google and open YouTube summary. On YouTube summary, we are going to open YouTube summary. Once it opens, we are going to input that YouTube URL to analyze the entire content of that particular video that we want to recreate, right? So we'll copy the URL of a particular video you want to create of your role model or guru on YouTube. Whatever channel you are admiring, whatever niche you like to create, just go and look for the guru. The people that make money from that niche, you go and copy a particular video of theirs that is going viral. You copy the entire URL. Once you copy it, you bring it to YouTube summary. You input it. Once you input it in this search bar, it's going to search and bring the entire summary of that video. Once it brings its entire summary, what you have to do is, you're not going to take word to word of what that creator has done. If you do that, YouTube is going to give you a strike or a copyright strike. So what you're going to do is, you're going to copy the entire summary of this person's video. You take it to ChatGPT. And now, once you head over to ChatGPT, as I'm on ChatGPT right now, you're going to tell ChatGPT to rewrite or rephrase the entire summary of that person's video to fit what you want. Whatever you want to write, you can tell him to. You can say, "Hi Chat, please rephrase or rewrite this entire summary into an educative mental training video, blah, 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 blah." You can say that to Chat. and then chat is gonna rephrase and rewrite everything for you in its own way and tell it to write it like a script that you're going to use to shoot a YouTube video. So chat is going to do that for you. Once chat does that for you, one thing you have to do is to read the script again. Make sure to read the script and understand what's in the script. Once you've read the script out loud, then that's where you start adding your own personal touch. Don't just copy everything from chat. Now you go to where you have to add your own personal feelings, your own personal theory in life, your own practical examples. You can add your own practical examples into it to make it look like it's authentic, to make it look like it was not just written by a chatbot, all right? Not just like ChatGPT, you just copied directly from ChatGPT and brought it on YouTube. You can just add some of your practical things in life, like in a situation that you face. Even if you didn't face, you can create a story and put it there to make it feel relatable. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Yes, just give an example, a situation in life, a story in life that makes it feel relatable, and then you add that little spice to it. Once you've done that, bam, now you head over to this particular site I'm giving you, vid.io. Over to Google, you type in vid.io, and once it pops up, you click on it. And once you're in vid.io, you see the dashboard. On vid.io, it's going to show you text to video generation, as you can see on the screen here. Now you click on it. Once you click on it, you put in the entire script ChatGPT has given you. Once you put in the entire script ChatGPT has given you, you take that script, you add in your own small, like I said, you add in your own vibe to it to make it look authentic, to make it look relatable. Now you input it. As you input it, immediately you input it. Now what vid.io does is, vid.io is gonna generate every scene and narrate the video. I mean, it's gonna generate every photo, every images, every video, everything, and add its own narratable voice to read out what's happening in that entire scene. All right, whatever you're trying to say, vid.io is gonna transmit those things with visuals. All right, that's what it is called, visuals. It's gonna give visuals plus audio. And if you don't like the audio vid.io has given to you, you can go to 11 Labs and choose your own audio. You just copy the same script from ChatGPT, paste on 11 Labs, and let the voice you have chosen read the script, and you come back and just put it under the same visuals vid.io has given to you. And also on vid.io, you have the tendency to edit any visuals you don't like. You can bring in your own visuals, and also you can let them add more visuals. After this video has been generated, you can just head over to edit. You go over to edit, you edit, you can add any extra thing you want to add to it. Maybe you can import your own visuals, you can import your own pictures, whatsoever you want to, images, whatever you want to add to the story to make it pop up. You import it and bring it to vid.io and add it to your video, and bam, you already have a ready-made video for YouTube. And vid.io can produce a long video for you. It mustn't be short. It doesn't have a limited amount of time, like 2 minutes or 1 second. No, vid.io can give you as long as you want. The only problem is the watermark. Now I'm going to be telling you how you can remove this watermark very fast. All right, if you want to know how to remove watermark from your video, you can just go under one of my videos. I recently shot a video talking about how to remove watermark. Just go over there and watch that video, and it's going to lead you on how to remove watermark.
Everyone talks about wanting discipline, but when it's time to act, that's when the real challenge begins. Motivation, it fades. Excitement, it disappears. What remains is the system you've built, or the excuses you've trained yourself to believe. This isn't about feeling inspired, it's about forging mental strength so solid that quitting isn't an option. When you keep your goals to yourself, failure feels easy. No one sees it. But declare them publicly, and suddenly, the stakes are higher. Failure feels like social death, and your survival instinct kicks in. That's why those who share their 90-day challenges online often stick with it longer. Their reputation is on the line, and accountability creates a psychological fire. If you want to boost your discipline fast, make your commitments public. Tell your friends, post it, write it where you can see it every day.
So if you're ready to start, just follow the steps I'm showing in this video and get that channel launched out there. And remember, discipline channels are not just all about motivation. They are all about identity. You can start one today and turn it into a digital asset that grows while you sleep. because I'll be coming with more strategies to help you stay faceless and increase your income. So finally, if you watched this video to the end, like this video, and took something away from this video, why don't you go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and you're watching Faceless Creation Studio. See you on the next one.